Thank you. Hey, in this video you will learn how to create Facebook video ads with OFFEO, and it's actually a piece of software that's way better than Canva. It will make you ditch Canva. It's actually a very simple tutorial that will walk you through how to create a Facebook video ad of around 15 seconds from zero to hero. Super beginner friendly, it's super easy to use. So yeah, if you appreciate me making this video, you know what to do. Give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you're new, and check OFFEO out. Let's jump into it. So we are on my computer, and when you just sign up for OFFEO, this is what your dashboard will look like. And I'm basically a beginner. I just had 2 projects. I tested it out yesterday, and all you have to do is click on the big plus button that says start a new project, and this is what we do. So we're starting a new project. You can smart create AI generated content from an image. That's pretty cool. A suite of designs created for your brand templates. You can actually insert your logo and a lot of assets just like this, and you can use them after that. Designer templates, we'll just use start from an empty canvas. Let's say that you want to start from scratch and design everything from your own, with your own 2 hands. So usually you would go for a social media post, a square post for Facebook. If you're creating a typical ad, we'll click that. It will load up, it's preparing everything. The excitement is too much for me to handle right now. So let's say that now we're making an ad for a dog toy, maybe a donut. I actually had a dropshipping store that I was involved in that was selling cat toys, but I have a dog. I'm a dog person, I'm sorry. So let's say that we're selling a donut just like this. Maybe we can start with something like with a nice font, maybe this one. So it literally chooses all the fonts, all the text for you. You don't have to know what Badaboom font is or what Mont font is. You don't have to purchase any expensive font. All we gotta do is select any font just like this. For example, let's type in something like, is your dog happy? That's an important question. We can have that here, and then we want a dog. But do we have to purchase any images or anything? Not really, because all we have to do is click on graphics and type in dog. I hope they have a beagle, because I've got a beagle. Oh, they do, look at that, but I'll use this one. So we'll use this dog, and we can even make it appear so that it's above the font. And all we have to do is make sure on the layers it's above the text. If it's below it, the text will hover over it, but we want it exactly like this. So we can have something like this. Is your dog happy? Let's move this a little bit up. I want it to appear as though the text is a little bit behind. So I think something like this would be pretty cool. Is your dog happy? That's really cool, but just having a dog here and some text, that's kind of boring. Let's spice it up, shall we? So we can actually add some animations. For example, for the dog, we can just click on the dog, click on animate, and we can use something like, I don't know, light speed. How does that look like? We can just click play. Oh, that's pretty cool. Is your dog happy? Is he? So we can use another animation for this text right here. Click on animate, for example, bouncing. Okay, let's try that out. Oops, that's too many dogs. Play all. Let's see how that looks. Okay, that's not bad. Is your dog happy? And now this is pretty cool. It's clean, but we want to make it better. So we can click on another graphic, for example, a smoke one. Do they have a smoke one? Okay, that's cool. So we can use some smoke right here, just like this, and we can adjust it, blend it to the screen, and animate it with Jack in the Box, and make it be below everything else we've got. So let's play that again. Is your dog happy? You can't really see the graphic. Let's edit here. Oh, that's really good. I really like the test like this. Is your dog happy? That's cool. So now we can select how long do we want the first scene to be. My typical advice is, if you have a 15-second ad, the first 15 seconds has to be a pattern interrupt. First, it has to catch the eye, solve a problem. Problem is your dog happy? The second 50 seconds would be a showcase of the product, and the third one would be a call to action. So let's continue with the second slide. So all we have to do is click on storyboard, and select the second slide. And for it, we can use designer templates to maybe have some ideas on what we can add right here. And we can actually choose from a color pattern, for example, white, and it will select designer templates that are white-ish. Oh, that's really good. And we can add a bunch of donuts, or we can have something like this for the donut. Okay, we'll select this here. Oh, I really like this one. Okay, so there's 1 of 5 here. And you can even select the whole ad just with this template. But let's just select this part of it, add selected scenes. Or maybe we can select the second one as well. But no, let's test it out. Let's just use this one. We can download a donut PNG from Google. This is a big PNG site. Here it is actually. Okay, it's gonna download real quick. And the cool thing about OFFEO is that it can automatically remove the background for you if you have an image with the background. But let's click on edit. Here it is, the pencil, currently editing. Removing this one, adding the donut. If there's any colors behind it, if it's not a PNG image, all you have to do is click on it and click this button, remove BG. So we can make it something like this. Dog nut, for example. A dog and a donut. What do you get? A donut. Pre-order $7, for example, $27. And we can have the price be a little better with an animation of, we can have this with push in. Let's see how this animation will play out. Donut. Okay, that's a lot of music. And by the way, this is something I also found out, that you can actually add music that they have for you that you can use on your ads, which is pretty cool. If you just click on music, click on timeline editor, you can actually add it and add any music. You can play it. I don't want to get copyright strike or copyright claim because I had these issues before, but you can just select, click on use and add any of these out. What else can you do? Actually like this, and we can click on storyboard again and add a third template, for example this one, where you can add like your logo. I don't really have a logo. I can just add my donut, I guess, for this ad, and use this logo for entertainment purposes only, obviously, and clicking on it again. And then you can say something like 50% off while stock lasts for the call to action. And in like 8 minutes or less, we managed to create an ad from start to finish, basically for free. Instead of paying $50, $100, $500 for an ad, you have pretty much everything you need on the website. I'm really excited to start working on some client work. Oh, by the way, we should actually make the duration 5 seconds, so the whole ad is 15 seconds. This is my personal preference. So we have a pattern interrupt, we have a showcase of the product, and we have a call to action. This is a very simple ad that anyone can do, no experience needed, and you can find the link for OFFEO in the description down below. Want to spice up your Facebook game? Start using OFFEO. That's all I can tell you right now. If this video helped you out, you know what to do. Give me a like, and you might have a lot of questions around the video. I appreciate that. I understand that. So let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. I want to see you in the next video. Bye.